Hello everyone, we are on a symbolic place, so-called Tushino field. Today we are going to describe a mini drone. So what is a drone? An aircraft without a pilot, which is controlled by someone on the ground. Drones are easy to control, and you don't have to possess any driving license to fly them. This is a great source of fun, and people throughout the world enjoy flying drones. My drone is so tiny that can be settled on my palm. It weighs less than 200 grams, so it's rather a toy than a real drone. It has a portable and foldable design, which makes it easier to carry drone with you. The drone has 4 arms and the drone body. There are 4 motors with propellers on each of the arms. I am not going to spy for someone or interfere someone's private life. This video will not dive into these issues. We are just focusing on the language. Press the power button to switch on the aircraft and let it distribute Wi-Fi signal. Then connect it with your smartphone. Fasten your smartphone with pre-installed app to the remote control, so that you can rule and watch online the video which the aircraft broadcasts back to the controller. Please place the aircraft on the horizontal ground and click Start Calibration. The aircraft will automatically calibrate. Then comes compass calibration. First, rotate the bottom of the aircraft horizontally for 3 times. Then rotate the aircraft vertically with the camera upwards until the lights slowly flash. Now the drone is ready to take off. You are free to control the flight settings right from your joystick. Turn left, turn right, up and down. An affordable drone has a decent camera. This camera streams live video to the pilot on the ground. The ground pilot is flying the aircraft as if they were on board. One more thing to know is lighting that modern drones come with. This lighting makes it easier to spot the drone in the sky at dark conditions. Nowadays, drones are getting popular and they have countless applications. However, in the future, they will have even more applications. Even today, drones are used for transporting goods to remote locations. At this moment, Amazon is testing their Amazon Prime Air service. This means that when you order a package, it will be delivered to you in less than 30 minutes instead of few days. Today I am going to organize a little contest. To take part in this contest, please subscribe And when this video estimates 500 views, we will know our winner. So my question to you is, at the very beginning of this video, I call this place symbolic. Why do I call this place symbolic? And what does this place have in common with a mini drone? The one who knows the right answer, please leave a comment below. If there are many right answers, we'll have a lottery. And the winner will get our t-shirt with a logo "Describe Me English." Good luck to you guys. Stay healthy.